Hey guys, today we are working on day 10, driving questions. So you're going to create a new slide, call it day 10, driving questions. You're going to number it 1 through 4 or 1 through 3, depending on how many you make. We're only trying, we want limited amount of questions, but we want them to be good. So we're only trying to get into the 3 and 4 category, which are here on the rubric in your directions. We really want this wow factor that you hear the question and you're going to really want to see the research on this one. So if you're struggling, the link is here where you can open up. We've already looked at this document once, but it reminds you these are the bigger questions that shouldn't be answered easily. We're looking for quality over quantity. There's a bunch of tips on here on how to write these and get into these big ideas. There should be multiple correct answers. It shouldn't just be a quick statistical answer or something that's easily answered that is not a driving question. We should be able to get people potentially they could debate it where there's good answers on either side, or there's just multiple ways to get to one correct answer. So that's what a driving question is. When you're working on that, you're just going to number yours, and a sample would look something like this. What percentage of teens have anger problems? That's a horrible question. That would be like a 0 or a 1. What role does the family and biology play in teen anger? There we go. Now we're up into that 3 range. What techniques can teens start using today to help better manage their anger issues? There we go. What are some shocking facts about teen anger? Not so great. 1 or a 2 probably on our scale. But this is what your slide will look like when you're done. You can answer any of the questions of the day if this is attached to it, and then you're going to be able to write yours today. Good luck.